Bamboo is one of the most remarkable plants on the planet, and one of the most underestimated. Strong, sustainable, and incredibly versatile, it has been used for thousands of years across cultures around the world. But have you ever wondered how this extraordinary plant is harvested, processed, and transformed into high-performance building materials? Today, we're taking a close look at that fascinating journey and uncovering facts about bamboo that go far beyond what most people imagine. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to discover will completely change the way you see bamboo. Right here on Stories Behind Everything. It all starts at harvest. Once cut, bamboo poles, with an average diameter of about 3.5 inches, are carefully selected and trimmed into segments measuring roughly 8 feet in length. Only poles that meet strict quality standards move on to the next stages of processing. The following step is slicing. Each pole is pushed through star-shaped blades until the entire stalk is divided into strips. The width of each strip can be adjusted simply by swapping out the cutting blades, allowing for considerable flexibility in production. Once cut, the strips are stacked and sent to the planing stage. Because bamboo strips are very consistent in shape and structure, they need to be worked to remove the internal nodes and the green outer skin. Planing is repeated as many times as needed until the strips reach the exact dimensions required by the process. One of bamboo's greatest advantages is its sustainability. The scraps generated during processing aren't wasted. Shavings can be used as raw material for particle board manufacturing or burned in biomass energy plants to generate clean electricity. This significantly reduces the use of fossil fuels, and virtually nothing goes to waste along the production chain. In the manufacturing of bamboo boards, the strips go through multiple sanding stages. This is essential to create a perfectly flat, smooth surface, ensuring the precision needed when bonding the panels in the hot press. A step that most people outside the industry don't know about is color sorting. A specialized machine automatically selects and matches bamboo strips by their shade, quickly and efficiently ensuring visual uniformity in the finished product. The color-matched strips then go through a visual inspection to identify and remove any pieces that fall below standard. The selected strips are then coated with adhesive and grouped vertically. The bundles are tied together and sent to the hot press, where they're carefully arranged on the press shelves. The pressure applied can exceed 1 ton. Once the adhesive is fully cured, the large pressed bamboo panels are ready for the finishing phase. Another method for producing thinner panels involves grouping the strips horizontally and pressing them the same way. After pressing, the panels are sorted by shade, from lightest to darkest, and any defective pieces are identified and removed at this stage. There's also a third manufacturing method, which involves crushing bamboo strips to expose their internal fibers. After a cooking process, the strips are flattened and take on a rough, fibrous texture. This procedure is typically repeated 2 to 3 times to ensure the quality of the woven bamboo boards. The resulting fiber bundles are then grouped, glued, and compressed horizontally under an extraordinary pressure of 2,500 tons. The result is a pressed bamboo fiberboard 20 millimeters thick, a dense, strong, and durable material whose fibers are clearly visible across the surface of the finished panels. Despite being hollow on the inside, bamboo is extraordinarily strong and resilient. It can be used in an impressive range of applications in construction, structural frameworks, walls, cladding, baseboards, flooring, and even furniture. Using a specialized technology called finger joint connection, bamboo beams can reach up to 19 feet in length, and for outdoor structural applications, the potential length is virtually unlimited. In this process, 16-foot sections are glued and pressed in pairs. Metal elements are placed between the beams during pressing to prevent them from bonding to each other. To ensure a perfect joint, pressure is applied simultaneously, both horizontally and vertically. A specialized machine then mills the large square bamboo beams into large diameter cylindrical rods, opening up even more possibilities for this remarkably versatile material. Once the laminated bamboo plywood is ready, the boards are cut to standard dimensions. The most common size is 8 feet by 4 feet, the same as a standard sheet of conventional plywood, making it easy to integrate into existing construction projects without any adjustments. The final step is packaging. Each board is individually wrapped in plastic and labeled. The complete bundle is then enclosed in cardboard and strapped with plastic banding, ready to be shipped to markets around the world. What makes bamboo truly remarkable isn't just how it's processed. It's what it represents for the future of construction and manufacturing. At a time when the world is actively searching for sustainable alternatives to traditional materials, bamboo stands out as one of nature's most powerful answers. It grows up to 3 feet per day, requires no pesticides, absorbs more carbon dioxide than most trees, and can be harvested without killing the plant. A material that is stronger than many hardwoods, lighter than steel for its size, and entirely renewable. Bamboo isn't just an ancient tradition. It's a glimpse into what responsible, forward-thinking industry can look like. The numbers behind the bamboo industry are just as impressive as the material itself. The global bamboo market is currently valued at over $68 billion and is projected to grow significantly over the coming decade, driven by rising demand for sustainable construction materials and eco-friendly consumer products. China alone accounts for roughly 65% of the world's bamboo production, followed by India, Ethiopia, and several countries across Southeast Asia and Latin America. There are over 1,500 documented species of bamboo growing across 5 continents, covering an estimated 35 million hectares of land worldwide. And as governments and corporations alike push toward greener building standards, industry experts predict that bamboo could become one of the most traded natural materials on the planet within the next 20 years. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories through Stories Behind Everything.